Are you tired of crowded gyms and monthly fees? Want to stay fit without leaving your home? Today we'll show you how to build a simple and budget-friendly home gym that fits in your room, garage, or even a corner. Let's get fit the easy way from the comfort of your home. Creating a home gym is easier than you think. You don't need a big space or expensive machines. You just need the right tools, a plan, and a little motivation. Let's go step by step. Number 1. Choose a space. First, decide where you want to set up your home gym. It can be your bedroom, living room, garage, or even a balcony. Make sure there is enough space to stretch and move around. If you have a small home, choose a corner where you can place your workout items. You don't need a full room, just a safe and clear area. Number 2. Set a budget. You don't need thousands of dollars to get started. Set a budget that works for you. Even with $100 to $200, you can build a great gym setup. Focus on buying a few useful items instead of many. Number 3. Buy basic equipment. Start with the basics. These items are cheap, easy to use, and good for full body workouts. Yoga mat for stretches, floor workouts, and comfort. Resistance bands great for strength training, easy to store and carry. Dumbbells. Start with light to medium weights. Kettlebell. A single kettlebell can offer many workout options. Jump rope. Perfect for cardio, cheap and effective. Stability ball helps with balance, core training, and posture. You can add more items over time if needed. Number 4. Use what you have. You don't have to buy everything. You can use household items too. Use a study chair for step ups or dips. Use water bottles as lightweights. Use a towel for stretching or resistance. Your stairs can be used for cardio workouts. Be creative and save money by using what's already in your home. Number 5. Organize your gym area. Keep your workout space clean and organized. Use some basket or shelf to store your gear. Fold your mat and put it away other workouts. This will help keep your home neat and your mind focused. If you have more space, add a mirror. It helps with form and gives a gym-like feel. Number 6. Make a workout plan. Once your gym is ready, it's time to make a workout routine. Start with 20 to 30 minutes daily. Here is a simple weekly plan. Monday, full body workout with dumbbells. Tuesday, cardio with jump rope and body weight exercises. Wednesday, rest or light yoga. Thursday, strength training with resistance bands. Friday, core and abs workout. Saturday, outdoor walk or fun activity. Sunday, rest day. Keep it simple. You can watch YouTube videos or use free fitness apps to guide your workouts. Number 7. Stay motivated. Make your gym area a happy place. Add a speaker and play your favorite music. Set goals and track your progress. Invite a friend or family member to join you sometimes. Stick to your routine. Even short workouts make a big difference over time. Now you know how to build your own gym without spending too much or needing a big space. Stay strong, stay healthy, and remember, the best gym is the one you actually use. Hit that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more home fitness tips. See you in the next video and happy training.